Alright guys, let's get some work done on the B8 S4 today. So today, I just want to do two simple things to the car. The first thing is install this little joystick button on the center large knob for the MMI because mine broke. And install some plain, simple, blank center caps on the Volk LE37 wheels. So on one random hot day, I was messing with the joystick on that center large knob to surf through the MMI and it randomly broke. So I have to now replace it. I found this guy here off of Amazon, got some decent reviews, so I decided to take the plunge and give it a try. If you guys want to get this guy too, I will put the link down below and you guys can go and check it out and decide if you guys want to buy it after seeing this video and my review on this specific one from Amazon. The other thing is I bought some plain center cap here too off of Amazon. So the Volk LE37 wheels did come with their original center cap. When I first got those wheels, the center sticker were all messed up, so I decided to do a custom Audi center logo piece. You can see here it's all messed up, and I kind of just don't want to do a center Audi logo. And I just kind of also wanted a flat cap, and this one here actually sticks out on the wheel. So I decided to go and buy this one here. I actually got some decent reviews on Amazon on these two with, you can say, perfect fitment on other TEs and LE37 wheels. So I decided to purchase this set here. I actually originally purchased gray to try and match the wheels on the LE37 or on the B8 S4 because they're actually gray, but received a white set. So paint matching is a bit quite hard. I actually have decided to just paint this red and leave it blank like that. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go and show you what happened to my stock joystick and then just show you guys how I'm gonna replace this. All right, so let me show you what it looks like right now. So here it is. You can see that center joystick piece is broken off. I actually still have a piece of that joystick in there at the bottom portion, and the little rubber boot is actually still in there. And then here's the joystick. You can see what happened. So yep, gotta get that replaced. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I gotta somehow get the remaining piece of that joystick out. So I'm gonna just try and crack it and pull it out. The new little joystick button actually came with the rubber boot too, so this one actually still looks decent. I don't know if I think I'm just gonna throw on the new one, but first let me take out the remaining piece of that little joystick. Got the remaining broken pieces of the OEM joystick button out. Now let's install the new one. So first thing I'm gonna do is pop on the new rubber boot. Make sure it sits in there nicely. So I've been fiddling with this, and then the new boot just doesn't want to sit in right compared it to the OEM one, and it's actually a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna throw back the OEM one in there because the OEM one is still pretty good actually. So that's the aftermarket one from Amazon and the OEM one. So I'm just gonna throw the OEM one back into the slot. So there's the OEM one, sits actually really good in there, much better than the aftermarket one. And now let's install the button. So we should just be pretty simple and just pop it onto that little that little metal rod sticking up right there. So just go ahead and pop this in. Lined up. Ooh, looks like you gotta press in harder. There we go. Nice, not bad actually. Sits on there pretty good. Nice. Moves pretty well. Feels pretty good and stiff actually. Nice. Definitely recommend this guy here if you want a cheaper alternative. Like I said, I'll put the link down below if you guys want to purchase one. Alright, so the next thing to do is get these center gaps installed. So, like I said before, white is going to look weird on gray and against the black car. Kind of weird because I don't have white anywhere else. So, I'm just going to paint them red. I really like red center caps. So, that's what I'm going to do. So, the way I'm going to go about doing that is first sand it with this 800 grit sandpaper, because right now it looks like it's painted and glossed and cleared white. So I gotta sand that down so that it's nice and rough down to the paint, and then start spray painting. So like I said, sand it down, 800 grit sandpaper, then apply probably 2-3 coats of the red engine enamel paint, and then gloss it up or finish and clear it up with also the engine enamel gloss spray paint. So let me go ahead and sand down all 4 center caps first. Alright, just finished applying the last clear coat, and this is what it kind of looks like. Let me wait until they dry up and then show you guys up close. Alright guys, not fully cured and dried yet, but they're currently dry to the touch. Let me show you guys what it looks like. There it is. Show you guys in the sun too. There it is. Nice, red, and glossy. So now I'm gonna let it sit for a night or 2 and then pop these guys on to B8 S4 with the Volk LE37s. Alright, it's been a couple of days and I feel like the center caps should be fully cured. So let's go ahead and pop these guys in and see how they look. There it goes. Nice. Much better. So here's what they look like all installed. So I think that this is just going to be temporary, or long term. Let me show you what it looks like up closer. So if you guys can see, the original actually, like I said, stuck out more and it's a little bit wider, so it does have like a little mark around here, but still not too bad. Also, a little part of me makes me feel like something is still missing since it's just a blank cap, but for now I think it's not too bad. But I am glad that I found these because these fit actually pretty good. So if you guys want a set, I'll put a link down below in the description. So like I said, these are LE37s, which is also the same as TE37 is just a limited edition, and I'm pretty sure that these caps should fit the TE37s as well. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, guys. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video here. If you guys have any further questions about the two things that I did in this video to the B8 S4, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel, comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow, and like this video if you guys find it helpful. Thanks guys. I will see you guys in the next video.